Hello everyone, welcome to the third edition of our bi-monthly newsletter CHL Insights. Under this segment, we always bring to you the success story of our team members, and we are glad that we have many such team members around us. But this time, the story is not just about one team member, but it is about our own company, Crystal Hues Limited. Why so? Because from the day one of the COVID lockdown, we have been continuously listening from our industry colleagues and partners that they are facing a lot of issues in coping up with work from home policy, quality delivering, and in fact, when it comes to employee management, that is also a challenge for them. But for Crystal Hues, we are glad that from the day one, we have been fully operational and we are working without any problem. Watch the entire video to know how we have been able to cope up with COVID lockdown. Thank you.
Hi. Crystal Hues was always prepared for a COVID lockdown well ahead of time. In fact, we even prepared a COVID-19 BCP in the first week of March. It is no surprise that our operations is as smooth as ever. Thanks to the team, especially the HR. Thank you.
Hi. So we have been working on Work From Anywhere module since December 2018, and by July 2019 we were ready with our setup. So a lot of hard work and brainstorming went into it, and in fact many new policies were framed in order to sync with this new concept of working from anywhere. So we had decided that we will announce this new module of working from new financial year, that is April 2020. However, because of this pandemic, we announced it much earlier to ensure the smooth operations of the company. And now, since we all are working from home, we keep organizing online employee engagement activities to keep up the motivation of employees. So I would like to thank IT team, CEOs and all the employees for the smooth transition. Thank you.
Due to pandemic COVID-19, we all are locked down and working from home. To a smooth operation, we had a challenge to provide access of all the application and IT infrastructure to every employee at their home with data security. CHL is a technology-driven company, so we always use technology to make our process online. That's why we are not faced any hassle and ready to work from day one after lockdown. Thanks to the team to make it fully operational with all IT security measures.
Technology is extremely important to the success of your business. Remote work is wonderful, but it has its own challenges. We started this initiation of work from anywhere in December 2018. We used to have meetings on every month related to this, and we have discussed about the challenges and how to overcome this with the use of technologies. We have listed the meeting outcomes and we started working on it. Ensuring data security was a challenging task for us. So we activated high secure VPN tunnels and VPN connections. The VPN tunnels we have tested many times. Again, we have customized all our in-house applications. Everything was ready with us, and we plan to implement our work from anywhere on April 2020 onwards. But due to COVID-19 outbreak, we made it 2 weeks before. So many users used to work on desktops. So we transported the desktops and we activated internet connection at their homes. Again, we have taken 2 days for completing all the configurations. Now we are fully operational. All the employees are working from home with the same controlled access and with fully data protected environment. Thanks to the President, Mr. Sujit, for his wonderful vision. I greatly appreciate your confidence on us. Thank you.
The team plays a very important role in such situations. I would like to thank the role of the operations, the marketing, the business heads, especially the CEOs. I thank them very much.
Hello everyone. Hope you all are safe at home and taking good care of yourselves and your dear ones. So we are clear. Nevertheless, this COVID-19 situation hasn't been able to stop the enthusiastic Clear Squad from uninterrupted project deliveries and perpetual client servicing. In fact, with the popularization of digital engagement among brands and their customers, Clear has been expanding its clientele with some of the most amazing brands associating with us for integrated marketing and brand consulting services. We are resolute towards complete employee safety and doing work from home ever since the lockdown became the need of the hour. Lastly, let's stay together, let's stay at home, maintain social distancing to fight against this precarious COVID-19. Stay safe. Thank you.
Hello everyone, hope you and your dear ones are keeping well in such crazy times. COVID-19 has proven to be a pandemic of unprecedented scale. During such times, I would like to offer my assurances as CHL services haven't been thwarted in any aspect and is operating with utmost efficiency in order to provide full supports to its client even during the lockdown. CHL has in fact been able to procure a substantial volume of projects which clearly emphasizes the confidence clients have shown in us to be able to support them even in the interim of COVID-19. Lastly, I would like to say, please take care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.
Customer service and satisfaction has always been a top priority for Crystal US. But at the same time, we will take every precaution necessary for the safety and security of our team. We will ensure that we are fully operational, as always, to meet all your requirements. Thank you.